Hi everyone, welcome to today's Craft Time STEM edition. My name is Jessica. Today we're going to be making an easy cleanup volcano. You're going to want to do this outside. It is going to get a little messy. The materials you're going to need for today are a cup of water, a cup of vinegar, a mixing spoon, 4 tablespoons of baking soda or baking powder, a teaspoon of soap, and your choice of paint colors. You can use food coloring, however, it will stain wherever you're doing this at. Alright, let's get started. We're first going to take our cup of water and our soap, and we're going to mix a teaspoon of the soap into the water. We're next going to take 4 tablespoons of baking soda or baking powder. And you're going to mix that into the water. Then you're going to take your choice of paint. And you're going to put a little bit of that in there. Then you're going to take your spoon and you're going to mix the base ingredients. Once you've done that, you're going to take your cup of vinegar. This and your base ingredients mixed together will help the eruption and the foam of the volcano. Alright, and once that settles, what you can do is you can take another cup of vinegar, your second choice of paint, and you can mix the colors together. I chose blue and yellow, and those mixed together make green. Then you can take your second cup of vinegar, mix that in, and do it again. And if you wanted to, you can keep changing your colors. And when you do that, your volcano will keep changing colors.